Dun, dun, dun. Honda. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm done. So, welcome back to, fake TV. And here we have a S2000 that I found in a junkyard that I never wound up buying, but I felt like drawing up like a plan for it to see like what could you possibly do with a junked S2000 that had been, hit in the front or, just generally fucked up. Ta-da! So, this, if built, could either be really awesome looking or really, really ugly. It would at the very least be very gnarly because it has backwards motorcycle fenders that have been cut, a leather strap for an engine cover. Oh yeah, the engine just sits right there. You can see it. Oh yes. This is all stainless steel. And this is all stainless steel. You have basically active brake ducting because of the wide body kit that can ruin your ruin the airflow to your rear brakes there. So all stainless steel, welded on. Actually, really, that doesn't need to be welded on, but like welded into a kit. Like I have ways of doing those kind of things. Anyways, so the airflow gets channeled up and out right here, and then the rest gets channeled through the back and then up out of a passive spoiler that serves as the rear bumper. So rear bumper, big chrome spoiler also, which is, weird, but I was being weird when I drew this, obviously. And let's see here. We got the front bumper does some kind of ducting. But I forgot what the hell I did there. Anyways, and there's the back where the air comes up. I kind of have it like drawn hollowish. And then below that's hollowed out. Because this thing is built to look really crazy and go really fast. And I call it the S2SR. S2000 Street Rod. And yeah, it's got fucking taillights for headlights. How you like them apples? Regular S2000 interior, S2000 front glass, everything. So you have a working convertible, right? Which is kind of the whole point of getting a wrecked S2000 and building this out. And I was just, picturing myself getting to enjoy the long hours of slaving away at the different little machines you need to make all this kind of stuff. And putting it on there and be like, oh, that don't look quite right. Just like taking it off like 50 times. And then finally just like, alas, it is complete. And then, getting the Neosporin and the bandages. Because metalworking is hard. But I think that could be cool. Oh yeah, cambered out, like fucking squatted, just a hot rod S2000. Street Rod S2000. So, give me a thumbs up if you like that one. I think it's pretty cool. Give me a thumbs up if you think it's ugly as hell. I don't care. Just give me a thumbs up, damn it! I, I, I'm just pissed at my channel's performance. I'm sure a lot of people are. You know, if you're not a pathological liar, shill, con artist, anarchist, chances are you're pretty disappointed with your channel performance. But I just felt like sharing these things because I know there's other Honda people out there, and maybe they feel like, you know, finding S2000s in junkyards and making them into hot rods, because there's a lot more ways you can do this. I just showed like the craziest way possible. Yeah. Thumbs up. Pretty please. Take it easy. But take it in moderation.